Human eye and working of its lens. There is a very thin transparent cover, membrane, on the human eye. This is called cornea. Light enters the eye through it. Maximum amount of incident light is refracted inside the eye at the outer surface of the cornea. There is a dark, fleshy screen behind the cornea. This is called the iris. The color of the iris is different for different people. There is a small hole of changing diameter at the center of the iris, which is called the pupil. The pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye. If the light falling on the eye is too bright, pupil contracts, while if the light is dim, it widens. On the surface of the iris, there is bulge of transparent layers. There is a double convex transparent crystalline lens just behind the pupil. The lens provides small adjustments of the focal length to focus the image. This lens creates real and inverted image of an object on the screen inside the eye. This screen is made of light-sensitive cells and is called the retina. These cells get excited when light falls on them and generate electric signals. These signals are conveyed to the brain through optic nerve. Later, the brain analyzes these signals and converts them in such a way that we perceive the objects as they actually are. While seeing objects at large, infinite distances, the lens of the eye becomes flat and its focal length increases, as shown in part A of the figure. While seeing nearby objects, the lens becomes more rounded and its focal length decreases, as shown in part B of the figure. This way, we can see objects clearly irrespective of their distance. The capacity of the lens to change its focal length as per need is called its power of accommodation. Although the elastic lens can change its focal length to increase or decrease it, it cannot do so beyond a limit. The minimum distance of an object from a normal eye at which it is clearly visible without stress on the eye is called as minimum distance of distinct vision. The position of the object at this distance is called the near point of the eye. For a normal human eye, the near point is at 25 centimeters. The farthest distance of an object from a human eye at which it is clearly visible without stress on the eye is called farthest distance of distinct vision. The position of the object at this distance is called the far point of the eye. For a normal human eye, the far point is at infinity. Do you know? The eyeball is approximately spherical and has a diameter of about 2.4 centimeters. The working of the lens in human eye is extremely important. The lens can change its focal length to adjust and see objects at different distances. In a relaxed state, the focal length of healthy eyes is 2 centimeters. The other focus of the eye is on the retina. Try this. 1. Try to read a book keeping it very far from your eyes. 2. Try to read a book keeping it very close to your eyes. 3. Try to read a book keeping it at a distance of 25 centimeters from your eyes. At which time you see the alphabets clearly? Why? Answer. We can see the alphabets clearly when we keep a book at a distance of 25 centimeters from our eyes, because though the focal length of the eye lens is adjustable, it cannot be decreased below a certain limit. Hence, if an object is very close to the eye, it cannot be seen clearly. For a normal human eye, the minimum distance from the eye at which the object is clearly visible without stress on the eye is called the minimum distance of a distinct vision. For the normal human eye, it is 25 centimeters.